how to deactivate your X Twitter account. After creating your X account, later you want to deactivate it, maybe out of boredom or for other reasons. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to deactivate your X Twitter account. If you enjoyed this video, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On your X app, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and support and tap on it. A drop-up menu will appear. Make sure to scroll down a bit and locate settings and privacy. With this selected, you have a list of options here. Continue to tap on your account. In order for you to deactivate your account, make sure to tap on deactivate account. As you could currently see, when you deactivate your X account, your display name, username, and your public profile will no longer be viewable on x.com, X for iOS or X for Android. If you are certain of everything, you can then proceed to scroll down a bit and then tap on deactivate account. That's it. You have successfully deactivated your account on X Twitter. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.